On the hunt for the ultimate gaming laptop without breaking the bank? Do you prefer something that delivers top-tier performance under $1,000? Your search ends right here. I found the one that's about to level up your gaming experience.
Let's go!
Say hello to the Acer Predator Helios Neo 16. Packed with a powerhouse Intel Core i7-13650HX and the impressive RTX 4060, this beast is ready to take on any challenge you throw at it. Checking out the price history, you'll notice it's typically been hanging around a sweet spot of $999.99. But here's the twist. There have been moments when it's surged above $1,000, but don't worry, that's nothing to stress about. If it does creep over the $1,000 mark, just hang tight. It always tends to drop back under that magic number, so patience will pay off. Now let's jump right into the performance. First things first, the display. While this laptop boasts a 1920 by 1200 resolution, we're gonna focus on gameplay at 1080p. Why? Because the difference in performance between 1080p and 1200p is so small, you won't notice it during gameplay. Starting with Valorant. On high settings at 1080p, this beast easily delivers an insane frame rate of around 350 FPS, and in some moments it'll even hit 400 FPS. That's lightning fast and a dream for competitive gaming. Next up, let's dive into Red Dead Redemption 2. Running on favor quality settings at 1080p, you'll see a smooth and consistent frame rate averaging around 60 to 65 FPS. These numbers are fantastic for a game as demanding as RDR2. Want even more performance? Just activate NVIDIA DLSS, which upscales and boosts your frame rates, and you're good to go. And how about GTA 5? Well, on the highest settings at 1080p, expect an average of around 60 to 65 FPS. The combination of the RTX 4060 and the Intel Core i7 13th Gen processor means you won't need to lower the resolution for stellar performance. You're set to enjoy smooth, high-quality gameplay. But that's not all. Let's talk about the rest of the specs. This laptop is equipped with 16 GB of DDR5 RAM, which is more than enough for gaming and multitasking. But if you're a heavy multitasker or just want that extra boost, I'd recommend upgrading to 32 GB, the sweet spot for peak performance. If you think 16 GB isn't quite enough, I've got a solid RAM upgrade kit for you. As for storage, it comes with a 512 GB SSD. Great for a few games, but if you're a gamer with a lot of titles, an upgrade is definitely worth considering. Don't worry, I've found the perfect SSD for your needs, but we'll talk about that later. Get ready for seamless gaming and fast load times with this laptop. Now let's dive into the display. This laptop features a 16-inch screen with a 1920 by 1200 resolution, a sweet spot for both clarity and detail. And get this, it boasts a 165Hz refresh rate, which is perfect for gaming, especially fast-paced competitive titles like Valorant. You might be wondering, why 1200p instead of the usual 1080p? Well, the answer lies in the 16:10 aspect ratio, which gives you more vertical screen space. This is great for productivity and gaming, giving you a wider view of the action. While the built-in screen is fantastic, I highly recommend pairing it with an external monitor for the best experience. My pick, the Asus ROG 4K monitor. Trust me, it'll take your gaming visuals to the next level. Now let's talk connectivity. On the left side, you've got an Ethernet port, USB 3.2, a micro SD card slot, and a headphone jack. Over on the right, you'll find two more USB 3.2 ports, perfect for all your gaming accessories from mouse to external drives. But before we wrap things up, here's a QR code for this laptop. Scan it with your phone or hit the link in the description box below to check it out on Amazon right now. Thinking about upgrades? Well, I've got you covered. If you want to boost your RAM, check out this specific RAM kit. It's made for the Helios Neo 16, but a quick tip: always make sure the specs match. DDR4 RAM won't work in a DDR5 slot. For storage, consider a 2TB SSD upgrade. That'll give you plenty of room for all your games and files without worrying about running out of space. You can grab it through this QR code or check the link below for more details. Your gaming setup just got a serious upgrade. Let's make it happen. This has been Marty, and I'll be seeing you on the next video. Cheers!